Let's meet Nicole. She is a food manufacturer. She has her own food manufacturing company based in the US. Her food products are popular across the country. She also exports her products overseas, where demand for her products is good. Currently, her food products demand has been increasing, and she also wants to expand the distribution of her products. But her prime concern now is how will she create all the food labels by hand for so many varieties of her food products, while staying 100% food regulatory compliant of various regions. Her friend Adrian advised her to go for an automated online solution for food nutrition labeling that will relieve her of hassles due to manual creation of food nutrition labels. Adrian referred Nutritionist Pro as a perfect solution for her. Nicole explored the website of Nutritionist Pro. She was convinced this nutritional value label maker could serve her goals and meet regulations exactly. She requested the free trial of this online software. Contacted 1-800-709-2799 for implementation. Want to learn additional information? Write to sales@axia.com.